Introducing Venus Bikini Precision. For bikini-ready skin anytime, anywhere. Its unique shape head maneuvers around every contour for safe and easy use. Its sleek and compact design gives you total precision and control. To trim, clip the comb onto the trimmer head and glide against the direction of hair growth. To shave or shape, remove the comb and use in the direction of hair growth. For bikini-ready skin anytime, anywhere. Venus Bikini Precision. From Venus.
Epilation and wax both remove hair from the root. But did you know that the way they do it is different? Before waxing, let your visible hair grow for at least 7 days. The wax sticks to hair and skin. Pulling removes the hair but lifts the skin as well. With Braun Silk-épil, you need to let your visible hair grow for only about 2.5 days. Tiny tweezers only pull out the hair and don't affect your skin directly. For weeks of smooth skin, not just days.
When we were babies, everyone was hyper careful about our skin. As we've gotten older, we've gotten a bit more cavalier. But getting older doesn't mean our skin deserves all this abuse. Panasonic cares about protecting your skin, whether you just started puberty or you've moved way past menopause. With hypoallergenic, high-performance stainless steel blades, Panasonic shavers help you get a gentle shave every time, wet or dry. And a bikini attachment that gently trims your most sensitive areas, because no matter how old or young you are, your skin deserves to be cared for. Introducing the newest shavers from Panasonic. Giving your skin the care it deserves. Always.
Panasonic.